brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. Thank you again for taking the time to show up for yourself, to be present, and showing up to be here with me. We are so expanding the consciousness and awareness and raising the vibration. OMG, I've been seeing it so much, guys. Thank you for the work you are doing. Thank you for holding space. Thank you for continuing to shine your light, even in areas that people might be feeling down, but you still step up. You still bring your truth and your heart, and you do the work for everyone, to uplift someone, saying the right words when they need to be said for that person that needs to hear them, to truly speaking from your heart. Thank you so much. All of us right here are going through this really a beautiful, amazing time. So graceful that we get to experience it all, that we get to truly be ourselves and be welcomed as ourselves, that we didn't have to play this role, that we didn't have to be in this other world to feel like we can relate. Thank you guys so much. It's so amazing to be able to do this type of work, to be able to ground here in this world, and ground in a way that people can be like, whoa, what the heck was I scared of this whole time? Look at this example. What the heck was I holding back all this time? They're living their best life, and it's helping everybody else. That's how people see you. That's how people, they might not say it to you, but that's what they're thinking. Because remember, they're holding back in their mind and in their personal self. They're like too conditioned to not be expressive enough, not to be in those higher frequencies. That's too much sometimes for them. People like to be comfortable in their own little world they built up, in their own little bubble. That's how everybody's been more or less kind of programmed to be. And you're stepping out of it. You're being more outgoing. You're just stepping out of it. You're literally opening up. You're an open source, and people are like, "What? Why is he so open?" Like, that's so awesome. And obviously it might make some other people wary or something, but anyways, thank you so much. It is so great to see this. I'll have so many friends on the internet just lighting it up, doing all the work. So in this video, I just wanted to show all my gratitude. Thank all the people on social medias, everyone that's just holding it down. Yes. Thank you guys. I love you guys. This is so amazing. My heart's so open, and I'm just so in a good state to share here with you guys this love, this unity, this oneness, this pure awesomeness, this pure awareness, pure consciousness, just being here present. No bias towards anything or no one, no judgments, no fears, no doubts. You hold that. That's who you truly are. That's your natural state. Own it, and you have been. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Thank you guys. Thank you again for showing up for yourself. Blessings. Continue to bless your life, bless those around you. Continue to shine your light, your love. Thank you for speaking your truth and letting your voice be heard. Love you guys. Namaste. I honor the divine in you that is in me. It is omnipresent. You are it. Feel that, like, feel that. That's, you're not watching this video by accident. If you stuck along to this video, this should already have fired you up and lit you up and turned you upside down into yourself. Turned you inside out. Actually, that's probably a better word. Namaste. All is love. Peace be with you. Amitabah. Love you guys.